Okay, folks, after days of warmer weather than usual and a beautiful full moon on Christmas night, we finally have snow. And as you can see, we have a lot of snow here in Chicago. And how long this is going to last, I don't know because I haven't looked at the weather forecast for this week, but I should. But it is, it's a completely wintry day, and it's kind of one of those days where you feel like you're a little bit trapped inside, but it's okay, it's holidays and you're full of food and all that, but still, I got work to do. I was hoping to get out and go to the Museum of Science and Industry while I was here, but oh well, maybe still.